Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Today we're gonna learn how to make a good breakfast that dates back for the 1980s or 90s. Home fries. Here we have our following ingredients: some diced potatoes, diced onions, diced peppers, just rolling here.
I learned today from learning.
And 9 eggs mixed. 10 eggs mixed and seasoned with my own special blend. As you can see already, I put my first batch of potatoes in this air fryer for 10 minutes. It's at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Still be ready for when I started. Anyway, before we continue on, I'd like to, Darrell, please. I would like to announce my helper for this week. And since Bettine just came back from Florida, why doesn't he come on down? Fries are done. Now let's get started. First we pour a little bit of olive oil onto our pan like so. Just 3 drops will do. Next, we should really get some more olive oil. Then we turn on the stove. Like so. Next we put in our diced onions. Excuse me. Oh my God. Next we saute the onions until they're transparent. That's how you know it's fully cooked.
That's your
Next we add in our peppers. Next up, we add in our air fried potatoes. Mix it in. Next up, we add in our eggs. Then mix it all in while the eggs cook. Alright. Now we turn off our stove top. Our clean fork. Scoop some in. And that, class, is how we make some delicious food. French fries.